Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Sangli location. It is from Maharashtra. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening available for manager urban two-wheeler in Bajaj Finserv. Coming to the required qualifications and experience, like coming to the skills and knowledge in minimum acceptable proficiency for this job, which best indicates the education and experience requirements of this job are not the incumbent. And coming to the educational qualifications, like the candidates should be a graduate or a postgraduate, and good command in Excel is essential. And coming to the work experience, it will be 1 to 3 years of relevant experience in managing team, and the candidate should be result oriented. Go getter attitude is must, and should have collaborative work style to engage with peers and colleagues across the company, and excellent team management and interpersonal skills, and the candidate should have excellent command over communication skills, and highly ambitious and self-motivated. These are the required qualifications and experience for this job role. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening available for agency recruitment and development manager, department agency in Reliance Nippon Life Insurance. Coming to the experience required, like 1 to 4 years of experienced candidates can apply. Coming to the specific responsibilities, like the candidates are responsible for recruitment and management of agents, identify, recruit and manage advisors from the respective locations, and train and motivate advisors to provide a better understanding of market or products, monitor and review agents' performance, and help them achieve maximum business, meet customer on a regular basis for achieving standards, and execution of sales strategies, and increase market reach and penetration through market segmentation, and seek new customers and increase sales. These are some specific responsibilities for this job role. Coming to the key performance indicators, like agent recruitment, agent productivity, agent activization, product and mix with business mix, persistency, and key interrelationships, and internal BMS, BDMS, CCE, and external clients agents. Coming to the experience required, like 1 to 4 years of experience candidates, and qualifications will be graduate with experience in sales industry. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for assistant manager rural gold loans in Bajaj Finserv. Coming to the job duties and key responsibilities, to achieve given sales NOS through customer walking, work closely with the branch service executives to drive gold loan customers for fulfillment, ensuring policy adherence and meeting compliance requirement, tracking approval rate and other critical SLA deliverables for gold loan product, and supporting SAR in operations or documentation. These are some duties and responsibilities for this job role. Coming to the required qualifications and experience required, like the candidate should be a graduate with 2 to 3 years of relevant work experience and knowledge of cross-sell or gold loan sales, and good selling skills along with good interpersonal skills. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening available in the same organization, that is Bajaj Finserv. They are looking for assistant manager rural term loan. Coming to the responsibilities, like understanding of CRM and leading system, Salesforce.com and Finon is a must. and excellent working knowledge of MS Excel, direct understanding specifically in a decentralized telecalling environment, and tracking all important metrics of business on a regular basis. These are some responsibilities for this job role. Coming to the required qualifications and experience, like the candidates who should have 1 to 2 years of outbound sales team management experience. Prior experience in a sales role in a retail lending would be an added advantage for this job role. And the candidate should have collaborative work style to engage with peers and colleagues across the company. And the candidate should have excellent team management and interpersonal skills and exceptionally high motivational levels and need to be a self-starter. These are some qualifications and experience required for this job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening available in Techno Solutions. They are looking for junior front-end developer. Coming to the job responsibilities, like a creative approach to problem solving and able to identify trends in web design and development industry, communicate effectively with both team members and clients, passion for improving user experience by bringing new ideas to the table, and not to be afraid of expressing their ideas and just be yourselves. And interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in Techno Solutions. They are looking for senior web designer. Coming to the job requirements, like the candidates should have excellent knowledge of Adobe Photoshop and 5 years of experience in web design and communicate effectively with both team members and clients, and passion for improving user experience by bringing new ideas to the table. These are some requirements for this job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening available for sales officer in CIL HR. Coming to the qualifications required, minimum 2 to 3 years of experience in sales retail distribution, preferably from seed industry or other agriculture input industry with proven track record of channel management, and proficiency in local language like Kannada and Telugu for Raichur and Marathi for Sangli and English and Hindi, and possess a two-wheeler license and owning a two-wheeler is must, and four-wheeler license is advisable but not mandatory, and experience in sales management and customer relationship management, agri graduate or postgraduate or general MBA is preferred, and be completely crisp and clear in reporting to the business manager about the achievements and the risk areas in the region. These are some qualifications required for this job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.